records are generally considered to be important and generally reliable because these are the records under which the town is reimbursed by the state of Connecticut for local roads that they maintain. It is also my understanding that an inquiry has been made of both the current town highway foreman and Mr. Viennes, who served as highway foreman for many years, and both indicate that there was no town maintenance beyond the cul-de-sac area. It is my understanding that a number of people have indicated that they feel that Starr Road runs as a town road all the way to the Rhode Island line. The attorney for the opponents of the application has submitted an opinion together with title research and supporting documents indicating that he feels that Starr Road is a town road, is limited to 0.15 miles. To the best of my knowledge, subject to further research, there appears to be a consensus that no one has found anything which indicates that Starr Road, or any portion of it, was ever formally discontinued by the town. On the other hand, I am not aware of any research which indicates that Starr Road was ever formally accepted by the town through the town meeting process. Neither of these items is determinative. A town road can become a town road in any one of several ways. The two most common being acceptance by a town meeting or by use and maintenance, and the finding that a road